Hi everyone, it's your teacher Bilal Ahmed and this is your science class. You guys will need your science learner book and science workbook. Okay, so you guys can see your first topic. This is the first unit, environments and habitats. So you will need to open page number 2 and page number 3. Okay. Okay, so today we started from the very first unit, unit 1. Unit 1 is all about environments and habitats. In this unit, you will learn about environments of people, animals, and plants, and their habitats. So this is the first topic, 1.1 from the unit 1. The topic is on the screen, habitats. Habitats mean you guys can say the home of people, the home of animal, the shelter. Okay, so here is the page number 2 and 3. Okay, so today we learn about habitat of living things, right? The homes of living things. So we are living, okay, and animals are living, the plants are living objects, right? We will discuss later what is living and non-living things, because living things need habitat, the shelter, okay, the home. And we learn about types of local habitat. Okay, there are different types of habitat, right? So you guys can see on this picture, there are some animals. Okay, they are living because living things need water, living things need food to grow, living things need fresh air, living things need shelter, home, where they can feel safe, right? When rains happen, so they can hide inside the home, the shelter. Okay, so what is living and non-living? I know you guys, you know about what are living things and what things are non-living. Here, you guys can see the plant. This is the green plant. It's a tree. The tree needs to grow water, sunlight, and fresh air, right? So here is a tree. This is the living thing, okay? Sunlight and water will grow this plant. We will say this is living. Look at these, okay? People need food, water, home, air, fresh air, right? They are living because they need to grow. They need to grow. They, they can move. they take oxygen. Okay, so plants and people are living because they grow, they move, they take breath, right? And here is the animal, mouse, rat. So this rat need to grow, right? So how can it grow? It needs food, water, right? Fresh air, and they move. So they are living things. Okay, but non-living things like a cap, an umbrella, a car, these things are non-living and they don't need any home, water to grow because they are non-living. They cannot grow. Okay, they cannot move themselves, right? So living things need habitat. Okay, here is an example picture. You guys can see 4 different environments. First, look at this picture. There are some elephants, right? And they have everything here. They have grass to eat, they have water to drink, they can move very easily, right? Everything they have in this environment. But elephant cannot live in this environment, okay? But these bears can live in this environment. They need cold weather environment. And look at this environment. There are fox and monkey. Okay, they have everything. They can live here. They will feel happy because they have everything here. Water, food to eat. They can move. Okay, but look at this fish. Fish cannot live in this snow weather. Okay, on the land. Fish need water to grow. So this environment for the fish. Right, let's move on to the book, page 2. So you guys learn about the environments of people, animal, and plants, right? What is the environment? What is environment? Environment means you have fresh air, you have clean water to drink, and you have land where you can make your beautiful home, right? So this is we call environment, the place where you have everything, right? So you have to read well, okay, in the at home. We learn about the home of people, animals, and habitat. Okay, so look at this turtle. This turtle has a good environment. The turtle live under the water. Okay, so this turtle has everything. Okay, it can move, it can stay. Okay, it can survive under the water. Okay, let's move on to page number 3 here. Okay, in page number 3, you guys can see this bird, and the bird need environment, right? Where birds live, on the tree, on the mountain, right? But the birds cannot live under the water, right? Some birds cannot live, right? So now look at this picture we discussed. Here are people, okay, a girl and a boy. So these kids have everything. They have food, they have water, they have home. So this is the environment for people. Okay, so this is the habitat of people. And look at these animals around this picture. So they have fresh plants to eat and they have water to drink. So this is good environment for animals. How about these questions? What is their habitat? Okay, so humans, so they have home, they have water, they have fresh air, and they have foods. Okay, how about the animals? They have plants to eat and they have water to drink. How about the plants? Yes, plants have good environment here. Look at the sunlight from the sky. Plants can grow here. So here is the weather, good weather for plants. It's not very hot. It's a normal weather for plants. And plants have enough water. Okay, they can grow here easily. So what is their habitat? Homes, right? So can they find all they need? Yes, they have water, fresh air, food, home. So you have to write, yes, they have all things, right? So you have to read this topic. So you learn about living things. What are living things? Living things need to grow. They can move. They can take breathe, right? And they reproduce. Okay, they grow and they have babies. When babies grow, okay, so the plant's habitat is a wall. Okay, look at this plant. This plant habitat is a wall. This wall, it's home, right? How about the humans' home? Here are the homes for humans. How about the eagle? The eagle habitat around forest, the jungle, and lakes. Here is the eagle find everything it need to live, right? It need food, water, air, and a home under the trees. Okay, they make home as a nest. It has a very large habitat. Okay, guys, so learn about three things: the habitat of animals, habitat of plants, habitat of, sorry, the animals, okay? Plants, human, and animal, okay? So they have different habitat, they have different homes. Birds live in the forest, monkey live in the forest, people live on the land in the cities, right? And plants grow and its home is a wall, right? So here is the today's lesson 1.1. I hope you guys understand living things and non-living things and the habitat of things. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a nice day.